Yes.
Congratulations
Thanks.
for the launch, wonderful launch.
Thank you.
So what is this partnership about?
So, this is a partnership between Sony Pictures Networks India and BBC Worldwide. Sony Pictures Networks India is one of the leading broadcasters. We have a 22-year-old history in this
Legacy,
country.
Yes,
A legacy of 22 years, pioneers in whatever we've done so far.
right.
And we have built great brands over here, which we have distributed well, monetized well. And
Absolutely.
BBC
Yes.
is one of the world's largest creators of factual content.
Right.
They are known for their positive, insightful storytelling
Sure.
in the factual space as well.
Right.
And BBC Earth is globally a very, very strong brand which reaches out to 500 million people. And they already have 39 channels, excluding India, across the globe where their factual entertainment channel goes.
Sure.
So this partnership is bringing out the best strengths of both parties.
Absolutely.
With Sony and its legacy
Right.
and its understanding of the Indian market,
Right.
and a global content powerhouse in BBC.
Right.
The two come together to give to the viewers the world of Sony BBC Earth.
Yes, so the
which-
amalgamation of both
Yes,
the entities.
yes. So
So
that's
what's going to be the USP of the content?
so. I think when we conceptualize the channel,
Right.
our key consideration was differentiation.
Right.
So when we look at the overall category, I don't think much has happened in the category in the last 3-4 years.
Right.
So, and anything that happens in a category where there is a disruption,
Right.
that always helps grow the
Of
category.
course.
That's been our
That's the
experience.
virtual
Yeah,
platform,
yeah.
Yes.
So from our perspective, our differentiation is positive, insightful storytelling
Okay.
with visuals that blow your mind, with facts that blow your mind, and you feel generally very, very happy about it.
Sure.
So what we are seeking to do is leverage this strength
Sure.
of storytelling that blows one's mind
Wow.
to create an emotional connect between the viewer and the natural world.
Okay.
Our belief is that the natural world
Right.
and the wonders of the natural
Wow.
world fuels joy,
Yes.
as a result of which one feels
Alive.
a state of subliminal happiness,
Yes.
which is why we say that when you watch Sony
Yes.
BBC Earth,
Yes.
you feel alive.
Wow.
That's what
Yes,
it stands for.
absolutely.
So we went through a lot of consumer work.
Sure.
We worked across over 2,000 viewers. We've been talking to them across the length and breadth of the country. We've spent a lot of time insight mining, and I think collectively would have spent 2,000 to 3,000 man hours, working
My
out
goodness.
on this channel.
Great.
So from this, what we've tried to do is create the proposition. So Feel Alive was the first proposition that we
Okay.
created. The second thing, if you look at it, what is the viewer looking
Yes.
for? What are the viewer's struggles? What are the viewer's aspirations? The viewer, if you look at it, in India is demographically young. They're curious.
Yes,
They
yes.
become more
Millennials,
experimental,
yes.
travel, understanding the natural world,
Sure.
being cool, being knowledgeable. These are traits that everybody wants.
Right.
At the same time, they are very, very impatient and they want instant gratification.
Absolutely.
So basically, what we're giving them is easy to consume content. That's what they
Right,
need because
okay.
they're impatient.
Yes. Snackable.
Something that is conversation worthy,
Yes.
which they
Engaging.
can talk about and
Yes.
engaging. And the third thing is something that blows your mind and your senses, the visual delight. So these are the three pillars on which
Okay.
we have based our channel,
Sure.
with the overall theme of feeling alive. If you look at the current state of the country as well, we are a high growth economy
Right.
and yet a very, very populous country as well. So, and a very, very populous country as well.
Sure.
The rapid urbanization and economic growth is in some ways putting its pressure on infrastructure and taking us away from the natural world.
Absolutely.
And here comes BBC Earth, which talks about feeling alive, exposing you to the joys of the
Yes.
natural world and making you feel alive, which I think is a very, very refreshing proposition.
Sure.
From a category perspective, when we looked at and scanned the entire space, what we believe is that the category has not lent itself to being appointment viewing led,
Right.
where you can predict at what time what to expect.
Oh, wow.
So that's something that
That's
we are
a very
wanting
nice
to.
element
Yeah.
to, unpredict.
So what we've done is that we've created distinct slots
Okay.
and slot promises,
Sure.
which helps showcase our content diversity and at the same time builds predictability for the viewer. So if you
Excellent.
come on a weekday, Monday to Friday,
Right.
at 8 p.m.,
Yeah.
be sure you'll find some fun-loving, light-hearted science shows on why, how, what on earth.
Okay.
The second is if you come at 9 p.m., then you will find a show like The Hunt under a
Okay.
slot called Wild Wild Earth, which is all about
Wow.
wildlife, natural
Sure.
history, etc. At 10, it's called Earth Explorers, and Earth Explorers is all about people who are adventurists and who explore the natural world the way it
Right.
is. BBC.
I'm already traveling around the world
Yeah,
with the
yeah.
conversation.
So BBC
Yes.
is also home to some mind-blowing mini-series and specials.
Okay, sure.
And those kind of shows will come on the weekend under a slot called Earth Specials. So
Okay.
that's how we build predictability to the overall grid.
Okay.
And now when we
Sure.
talked about how to amplify it,
Yes.
we have partnered with
You have
Beautiful.
the Bollywood Diva association.
beautiful, charismatic,
Yes.
fun-loving, full of life
Yes.
Kareena Kapoor Khan.
Absolutely. She's a perfect fit
Yes.
for
The diversity of her personality
the right.
resonates with the diversity of our content. She
Okay.
loves traveling in the natural world, which is
Right.
also very good.
Yes.
And she is so full
Full
of life,
Absolutely.
and that's the expression of what I call subliminal happiness.
Yes.
And
Well
that
said.
full of
Yes,
life
yes.
attitude is what we would like to see in all our viewers
Right,
when they
right.
experience our content. And hence,
Absolutely.
she was very, happy, and we were also very happy to have her on board as the Feel Alive ambassador for
Excellent,
the channel.
excellent.
So
That's
that's how. it
Wonderful
is.
association.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. So we've created a campaign with her where
Okay.
she's exploring the world of BBC and
Wow.
experiencing the content and a sense of subliminal happiness. Done with Kareena being larger than life in the BBC Earth world.
Right.
And there is a jingle that has been created by Ram Sampath
Okay. Wow.
for the campaign,
Okay.
which we would be leveraging
Excellent.
and amplifying across.
Great, great. So you're
Yeah.
looking forward to explore all the
We are very
diversity of the
excited,
year.
yes.
Thank you for chatting with us. and
Thank
all the
you.
good luck.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so much.